Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Hunter ceiling fan. Unfortunately, I don't know what it is. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments what this might be. It's definitely a Hunter. But I got this from Habitat yesterday. I got it from Habitat a couple days ago. And it's from February of 1999. So 24 years old. Came with a super long down rod. There's the Hunter logo. Came with a super long down rod, which I had, which is right here. Right there. And I had to use, I'm using one of my other Hunter's down rods right now until I get this one cut. So yeah. And I normally don't really like not a big fan of nickel, but I do like this one because it has that, I do like this one in nickel. It looks nice. I always like Hunters of this era because of the switch cap. I don't know why, but I just like the look of that. And stuff like that. It looks like a cross between a Hunter Passport 3, which is in my, which is at my mom's friend's house living room. It's white, and I took a video of that a couple years ago. And also reminds me of a Hunter Mariner because the blade brackets are similar. But I know they're definitely not one of those two, so yeah. It also gives me those 2000s era vibes, in my opinion, like you would see in like a 2000s era living room. But it has high gloss cherry with high gloss oak. Here's the top. Yeah. I'll show it on low speed. It does kind of go kind of slow, but yeah. Also, is a pain in the butt to get the mounting properly, because as you can see up there, there's two hooks right there, and then there's a screw. It's kind of similar how this mounts my Hunter Silent Breeze 2. How that one mounts, stuff like that. And then on this side, you have to like hook it up all the way onto that side while doing the wiring. And I was having a horrible time with it since it's so stupid, since you have to hold the motor and then also get the canopy up there. But I just got my dad to do it. And I also had to take the blades off the landmark here because they just kept on hitting with the blades here. So yeah, nice low speed Hunter, low speed, always slow. Up to medium. Oh, it never wobbled before. It's starting to wobble on medium here. Yeah, it's starting to wobble a bit. And this fan just looks really nice. I'll move up to high. I'll see how much it wobbles. Hopefully it doesn't wobble enough, that much. I thought it was going to be worse, but it's not that bad. That was a good amount of air. Like I said, I hope I can find out what the name of this fan is. I tried figuring it out. It's not a Vista, and it's not what's the other one I looked at? I forget, but it's not those two. Okay, I'll turn it off. So yeah, that is a 52-inch Hunter ceiling fan. So yeah, that's it. Bye.